Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Nulea RT05B wireless ergonomic keyboard, a modern marvel designed to enhance your typing experience with its unique split design that aligns naturally with your hands, reducing strain during those long work sessions. This keyboard offers seamless dual-mode connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly switch between Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless modes, making it perfect for both work and play. Say goodbye to constant battery changes, as this keyboard is USB-C rechargeable and boasts an impressive 200-hour battery life, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Experience luxurious comfort with the oversized wrist rest, crafted from soft, skin-friendly leatherette, providing ample support to prevent fatigue and strain. Customize your typing angle with adjustable tilt options, offering 3 different angles for optimal ergonomic alignment. If you encounter any issues with the function keys, remember that the FN key might be locked, and unlocking it is as simple as pressing the FN key while using F1, F2, or F3. Stay tuned for more tech insights and reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.